Hey guys, so we're in Unit 3 and we're going to talk a little bit about the lab. This lab is different than the other labs that you have done so far in Unit 1 and 2, where you just answered questions from an article. For this one, you are supposed to find a TED Talk over one of the topics that we talked about for this unit. So, talked about a lot of different things when we talk about the modernization of agriculture. So some things like the domestication of crops, so how we went from just finding the wild corn or wild rice to the corn that we grow now. There's lots of different varieties. Think of popcorn. That's there was no popcorn before. Fermentation, biotechnology, food insecurity, and fair trade. So those are some different topics, or you can choose a different topic from one that we talked about. So you're going to go to this website. So this is the TED Talk website. If you don't know what a TED Talk is, it's where people that are professionals in their industry, they give a short little speech, informative speech about a topic. So don't just type in agriculture. You're going to type in um, whatever you're wanting to learn about. And then you're going to read the topic and you're going to tell me the top 5 things that you figured out from this topic. Okay. So this is kind of really broad. So I would focus on these. And one that I know that they're going to have a lot of information on it would be biotechnology, because that's really popular now in agriculture. And that is just the process of all these advancements in science and animal technology and plant technology. Biology, that's where it comes from, biology and technology. Biology is the study of life. So let's look at biotechnology. Okay. So I ended up refining it to biotechnology and agriculture. Here's a good one right here about feeding the world. So how to feed the world. If you want to talk about that, that's a great one with modernization agriculture. What we need to be doing in order to feed this growing population. Let's look at there's one, the phosphorus crisis. Okay, that's dealing with plants. Say you want to learn about. We look at fermentation process in agriculture. We'll find some. Here's one. If you are an animal activist, how we could eat real meat without harming animals, if that's something that interests you. There's one that could be into agriculture. You can type in food insecurity. So you can type in whatever and it's going to come up. So it has to be relevant to agriculture, has to be relevant to kind of what we talked about in this unit. So here's a whole bunch. What we're getting wrong in the fight to end hunger, how climate change can make our food less nutritious, how quinoa can help combat hunger and malnutrition. So there are a ton of different ones. So you're going to choose 2, and you are going to tell me the top 5 things that you could easily understand about the topic. So you're going to have to watch these videos. So choose 2 videos over your topic. So like if you're wanting to look at food insecurity, so that means like feeding the world, the problems we're going to have, find 2 videos over that. Tell me the 5 important things from that videos. You're going to write your report in complete paragraphs. So I'll break it down into 5. You could do the 5 like bullet points and talk about those 5 bullet points about each video. So you also need to include your talk, your TED Talk, your videos that you watched, and submit your document. Okay, to get full credit, you need to include all the required information, fully explore and discusses each of the required items. So basically, find a TED Talk over an agriculture topic, Find two of them, and then tell me the bullet points of that TED Talk.